In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to send USDT from OKX to Binance step by step. If you're moving funds for trading, investing, or just organizing your crypto across platforms, this guide will help you do it safely and correctly. Let's start on OKX. Log into your OKX account using a secure device and a trusted internet connection. Once you're inside, go to the Assets section. This is where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Find USDT in your balance. If you hold multiple coins, you can use the search bar to locate it faster. Next to USDT, click on Withdraw. This opens the withdrawal page, where you'll enter the details for sending your funds. Now we need the receiving address from Binance. Open a new tab and log into your Binance account. Go to your wallet, then choose the section where you can deposit crypto. Search for USDT and click Deposit. Binance will generate a deposit address for you. Here's the most important part. Choose the correct network. You might see options like ERC20, TRC20, or another network. The network you choose on Binance must match the one you select on OKX. If the networks don't match, your funds could be lost. Once you've selected the correct network, copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Now go back to OKX. Paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal field. Double-check every character to make sure it matches exactly. Then confirm that the network selected on OKX is the same one you chose on Binance. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Keep in mind that there will usually be a withdrawal fee, so make sure you have enough balance to cover it. When everything looks correct, proceed with the withdrawal. You may be asked to complete two-factor authentication, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. Follow the security steps to confirm the transaction. Once submitted, the transfer will be processed on the blockchain. Depending on network traffic, it may take a few minutes or longer to arrive. You can monitor the status in your OKX withdrawal history. After the transaction is confirmed, check your Binance wallet. You should see your USDT balance updated and ready to trade or hold. And that's how you send USDT from OKX to Binance. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.